All right, let's start here. The major headlines. The storm is shifting a bit toward the east. Not a lot, just a little, but that still will take the major impact still further offshore. But around here, we still have some very gusty winds, some very heavy surf, and coastal erosion on the way. Those waves and wind and rain hit beginning late tomorrow night, but more so throughout the day on Saturday. In fact, here are the advisories again. A tropical storm watch in effect. This is for the area you see they're kind of in light pink color. This is for Casco Bay and coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth to Merrimack River, with wind gusts expected late on Friday night into Saturday of around 35 miles per hour, and then waves or sea heights there of 18 to 23 feet. In the darker pink area there, we're talking about a hurricane watch still in effect for us for late tomorrow night and then throughout the day on Saturday. This is for wave heights approaching 22 to 27 feet from coastal waters from Stonington to Port Clyde, and then out 25 nautical miles. Penobscot Bay and coastal waters of Port Clyde to Cape Elizabeth as well, out 25 miles too. So the advisories are going up. They'll be refined a bit as we head through the night tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. But the storm is still shifting out to the east just a bit, and that will take the worst impacts from this further offshore beginning late tomorrow night and throughout the day on Saturday. Here it is now, a Category 1 hurricane, winds near 100 miles per hour. But overall, though, see, yesterday this track was closer to the west. Not today. It shifted more toward the east, and that will take the bigger effects with it as it moves toward the east away from our area. But still, this thing is large enough to where we're going to get the beach erosion, the high surf on shore, and also the wind and some rain. Here's the computer graphics of where the different computer models think it's going to go, and all of them now take it well off to the east, and still, though, the effects are going to be large across our area beginning late tomorrow night. That wind field, speaking of large, here it is now across the Atlantic. This will begin to spread north. This is a chance for winds near tropical storm strength, right? This will fade away as it moves in our direction. Some cooler ocean waters up this way. This thing will be decreasing in intensity as it moves in our direction beginning tomorrow night, but more so throughout the day on Saturday with those wind and waves. In here also is the marine forecast. We're talking about the high tide, and this is going to be an issue with that onshore wind, especially Saturday. Saturday high tide at 12:47 in the afternoon. That's going to add to the impacts along the coastal areas and down east areas then. So the rain, again, is it's going to be a lot of it, but not for everybody. The heaviest rain bands are still shifting a bit toward the east. So again, the general consensus here is shift toward the east, further away from us, but the impacts are large. We're still going to feel it, but we're not going to feel scenes like this at all. We will have winds across the area near 30 to 40 miles per hour, more right along the coast, and then it'll quickly get out of here by Saturday afternoon. All right, the highs today, 73 here in Bangor, 74 Bar Harbor, comfortable, about average this time of year, 70 in Millinocket. Out there today, we're getting some sunshine out there earlier, but now we'll get some increasing clouds tonight. Tomorrow's actually going to be a pretty nice day, and then before the tropical moisture gets in here late tomorrow night and throughout the day on Saturday. Let's walk you through it. Tonight, no issues at all. Tomorrow, no issues at all. Increasing clouds tomorrow night. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Notice we're still 3, 4 o'clock in the morning on Saturday before the heavy rain gets in here. And there's the center of the low. Here's the heaviest rain Saturday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon as it is pulling away and decreasing in coverage and intensity, but still some heavier rain showers across the area on Saturday with that wind and onshore flow. All right, our forecast for tonight, though, partly cloudy skies, some dense fog is likely again, low temperatures down near 50 for tomorrow. All right, mostly cloudy skies early, followed by really probably partly cloudy skies for a few hours throughout the afternoon. High temperatures up near 70 and increasingly windy throughout the afternoon as well. Looking ahead, your 5-day forecast shows tomorrow increasing clouds, rain late tomorrow night, rain, wind, and waves throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday 72, Monday 72, low 70s Tuesday under mostly sunny skies. Beth and Peter.